Hey folks, it's been a beautiful day across the valley. Bright sunshine, but some high clouds mixed in with that. This is what it looks like looking down from outer space from satellites. But of course, you looked up at it and saw something pretty cool today. And somebody that's looking at the sky right now is our Andrew Chung, who joins us live from Weslaco. Andrew, pretty cool view in the sky today, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really cool, Tim. And right now in Weslaco, we're seeing some very beautiful clouds, too. These are mainly high clouds. We look over to my left, so we're seeing some cirrostratus clouds. When we say the word cirro, that means it's a high cloud. Those are made of ice crystals. And because we had some cirrus clouds earlier today, that's why we had that halo around the sun. If we have the photos, let's go to the photos, and we're going to start off with Yolanda Alfaro. We have a bunch of photos here from viewers that sent in the photos about the halo around the sun. And so the first photo is from Yolanda Alfaro. Thank you very much for that photo. The second one is from Luis Angel Gonzalez Rodriguez. The third one is from Vilmori Vasquez. And the fourth is from Jose Leal. We'll talk more about the photos in just a couple of minutes. Back to you, Tim.
All right, Andrew, thanks. So, yeah, really cool stuff to see in the sky today, and it looks like there's a chance we could see that halo again tomorrow, so we'll go more detail of that a little bit later on. Let's see where we are temperature-wise right now. 81 in Rio Grande City and 67 at the coast, so big range in temperatures across the valley. Weslaco 70, McAllen is 73. Tonight it's a cool night. If you're going out, take a jacket with you because temperatures are going to drop off into the 50s, and that's where we start the day tomorrow. So your early morning activities tomorrow will be cool, but it's going to warm up pretty quickly. By the time we get to the afternoon, readings climb back into the 70s again. It takes all day to get there, but by lunchtime, you're probably close to 70 already, and it keeps going up from there. Easterly winds tomorrow at about 8 to 16 miles per hour. Look ahead the next 3 days. The normal high is 78. We'll be close to that tomorrow, and then above that after that, and the next 3 days, and likely beyond. Break out the weekend, it looks pretty good. Tomorrow, I think, again, you're looking at 77. There'll be a mix of clouds and sun. So more of those high clouds around, just a little bit of a breeze. And then on Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy, a mix of clouds and sun again, breezy and a little bit warmer, a high of 80. Anybody headed out to Borderfest? Should be a fun night. This is for tomorrow night at 5 o'clock, temperature 74. By 7 o'clock in the low 70s, into the upper 60s by 9 p.m. That's a little bit cool, so you might take a light jacket or a sweater with you if you're going to be out into the late night hours. So where's our next weather maker? We showed it's going to be dry for the next few days. Well, we talked about this yesterday. We go way out, coming into the southern coast of Alaska out here. This little thing. But what's it going to do? Well, the models bring that storm system, weak little storm system, down into the west coast of the U.S. and toward Texas by the end of next week. But now it looks like the rain with this may stay to our north again, and this is like Friday, Saturday stuff of next week. So if that stays to the north, it's not our next weather maker. It'll be beyond that before we see any big chance of rain. So the next 7 days at least look like they should be mainly dry, maybe a couple of sprinkles over the weekend, but probably nothing more than that. Here are those rain chances. There's nothing tomorrow. We've got a 10% chance in there Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but again, we're talking sprinkles, and then we're dry, dry, dry for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Travel plans for the weekend. Take a look to the north. It's cool here, but colder there. 52 in San Antonio, 51 in Houston in the morning. By afternoon, readings bounce back into the 70s here, but everybody else is a little cooler. So if you're traveling, you'll need that jacket probably throughout the weekend to the north of the valley. So tonight, partly cloudy and cool, 56 for a low. East-northeasterly winds about 6 to 12. Then tomorrow, we're back to 77. Some clouds early. They thin out during the afternoon. There's still those high clouds. They're not rainmakers. It could give you one of those halos again. Keep an eye on it. Temperatures after that continue to warm up. By the end of the forecast period, we're up to 87 degrees. There's that spinning clock again. Don't forget, this is the weekend. You set your clocks forward before you go to bed tomorrow night. That means it's going to be dark when you wake up Sunday morning if you wake up somewhat early, but you get more time in the evening to enjoy the sunshine. That's your updated First 1 5 AccuWeather forecast.